In the United States, law attorneys play a critical role in the legal system, representing individuals, businesses, and government entities in a wide range of legal matters. An attorney, also known as a lawyer, is a professional trained in law who is licensed to practice in one or more states. Attorneys provide legal advice, draft documents, represent clients in court, and help navigate the complex framework of federal, state, and local laws. Attorneys in the United States can specialize in many areas of law, including criminal law, civil law, family law, corporate law, real estate law, immigration law, and intellectual property law, among others. Specialization allows attorneys to develop expertise in a particular area, enabling them to provide more precise advice and effective representation. Choosing the right attorney often depends on the legal issue at hand and the attorney's experience in that field. To become an attorney in the United States, one must first complete a bachelor's degree, typically in any discipline, followed by a law degree from an accredited law school. After graduating, aspiring lawyers must pass the bar exam in the state where they intend to practice. Passing the bar demonstrates the attorney's knowledge of state-specific laws and regulations. Additionally, attorneys must adhere to ethical standards set by state bar associations and maintain continuing legal education throughout their careers. Attorneys perform a wide range of duties. One of their primary responsibilities is providing legal advice to clients. This includes explaining rights and obligations under the law, evaluating options, and recommending strategies to achieve desired outcomes. Attorneys also draft, review, and negotiate contracts, wills, trusts, and other legal documents to ensure they are valid and protect the client's interests. Representation in court is another essential function. Attorneys argue cases before judges and juries, present evidence, cross-examine witnesses, and make legal motions. Criminal defense attorneys defend clients accused of crimes, while prosecutors represent the government in bringing charges. Civil attorneys handle disputes between individuals, businesses, or organizations, often seeking settlements outside of court to avoid lengthy litigation. Attorneys also assist with regulatory compliance, particularly in business and corporate law. Companies rely on legal counsel to ensure adherence to labor laws, tax regulations, environmental standards, and industry-specific rules. Attorneys help prevent legal issues by drafting policies, reviewing procedures, and advising on risk management. This proactive role is crucial in avoiding costly lawsuits or regulatory penalties. In the United States, attorneys may work in private practice for corporations, government agencies, or non-profit organizations. Private practice can involve solo practice or partnership in a law firm, offering services to individuals and businesses. Corporate attorneys work as in-house counsel for companies, handling contracts, mergers, intellectual property, and employee relations. Government attorneys may work as prosecutors, public defenders, or legal advisors in various agencies, ensuring public interests are represented. Specialized attorneys, such as immigration or family law lawyers, play a key role in helping individuals navigate complex legal processes. Immigration attorneys guide clients through visa applications, green cards, naturalization, and deportation cases. Family law attorneys assist with divorce, child custody, adoption, and domestic violence cases. Their expertise ensures that clients understand legal procedures and their rights while receiving appropriate representation. Ethics and professional responsibility are fundamental in the U.S. legal system. Attorneys must maintain client confidentiality, avoid conflicts of interest, and act in the client's best interests. Violating ethical rules can result in disciplinary action, suspension, or disbarment, which prevents an attorney from practicing law. Bar associations provide oversight, guidance, and resources to ensure that attorneys uphold these professional standards. Technology has transformed the practice of law in the United States. Attorneys now use digital tools for legal research, document management, case tracking, and client communication. Online databases allow lawyers to access court decisions, statutes, and legal precedents quickly. Video conferencing and electronic filing systems have made legal services more accessible, especially for clients in remote areas or during emergencies. Finally, law attorneys contribute to society beyond individual cases. They advocate for justice, protect civil rights, influence policy, and ensure that laws are applied fairly. Attorneys play a vital role in upholding the rule of law, resolving disputes, and providing guidance that empowers individuals and organizations to navigate legal complexities effectively. In the next part of this series, we will explore types of law attorneys in the United States, common legal cases, hiring considerations, and how clients can find the right attorney for their needs. In the United States, attorneys specialize in many areas of law to provide focused expertise and effective representation. Choosing the right type of attorney is essential for addressing specific legal matters. Some of the main categories include criminal defense, civil litigation, family law, corporate and business law, immigration law, real estate law, and intellectual property law. Each specialization has unique skills, procedures, and knowledge requirements, ensuring that clients receive guidance suited to their legal needs. Criminal defense attorneys represent individuals accused of crimes, ranging from minor offenses to serious felonies. They analyze evidence, interview witnesses, challenge the prosecution's case, and advocate for the best possible outcome, whether through plea deals or court trials. These attorneys are skilled in constitutional protections, courtroom procedures, and negotiation, ensuring that the accused receive a fair trial and that their rights are upheld throughout the legal process. Civil litigation attorneys handle disputes between individuals, businesses, or organizations that do not involve criminal charges. Cases may include contract disputes, personal injury claims, property disagreements, or employment issues. Civil attorneys guide clients through filing lawsuits, negotiating settlements, and representing them in court if necessary. Their goal is to resolve disputes efficiently while protecting clients' rights and financial interests. Family law attorneys focus on legal matters affecting families, such as divorce, child custody, adoption, domestic violence, and spousal support. They help clients navigate emotionally charged situations, ensuring compliance with state laws while advocating for their clients' interests. Mediation, negotiation, and courtroom representation are common tools used by family law attorneys to achieve fair and practical resolutions. Corporate attorneys advise businesses on legal compliance, contracts, mergers, acquisitions, employment laws, intellectual property, and risk management. Their expertise helps companies avoid legal disputes, navigate regulations, and operate within the law. Business attorneys may work as in-house counsel or at law firms, providing ongoing guidance to organizations of all sizes. Immigration attorneys assist individuals and families with visas, green cards, citizenship, deportation defense, and asylum applications. They navigate complex immigration laws and government procedures to help clients achieve their goals legally. Immigration attorneys often work with federal agencies and courts, ensuring proper documentation and advocating for clients in hearings or appeals. Real estate attorneys handle transactions and disputes involving property, including purchases, sales, leases, zoning issues, and property disputes. They draft and review contracts, conduct title searches, and represent clients in negotiations or litigation. Their work ensures that property deals comply with laws and that clients' rights are protected. Intellectual property attorneys focus on protecting creative works, inventions, trademarks, copyrights, and patents. They help clients register rights, enforce protections, and defend against infringement. This area of law is particularly important for businesses, artists, inventors, and technology companies who rely on intellectual property for innovation and revenue. Attorneys in the United States handle a variety of common cases, including personal injury claims, employment disputes, contract violations, landlord-tenant disagreements, DUI or traffic offenses, criminal charges, family matters, immigration applications, business contracts, and intellectual property disputes. Understanding the type of case and the attorney's expertise is crucial for achieving a favorable outcome. Hiring the right attorney involves research, evaluation, and clear communication. Clients should consider the attorney's experience, specialization, track record, fees, and communication style. Many attorneys offer free initial consultations, allowing clients to discuss their case, ask questions, and determine if the attorney is a good fit. Online directories, bar association referrals, and personal recommendations are useful tools for finding qualified attorneys. It is important for clients to understand the fee structure before hiring an attorney. Common arrangements include hourly billing, flat fees, contingency fees, or retainer agreements. Clear agreements prevent misunderstandings and ensure transparency in legal services. Clients should also provide all relevant information and documentation promptly, which enables the attorney to prepare an effective strategy. The relationship between an attorney and their client is built on trust, confidentiality, and open communication. Attorneys are bound by ethical rules to keep client information private and act in the client's best interest. This professional relationship ensures that clients receive competent advice, representation, and advocacy while maintaining legal and ethical standards. In conclusion, attorneys in the United States offer specialized expertise across many fields of law, representing clients in criminal, civil, family, business, immigration, real estate, and intellectual property matters. Hiring the right attorney involves understanding their specialization, experience, fees, and communication style. In the next part of this series, we will explore legal procedures, courtroom processes, mediation, and tips for working effectively with attorneys.